Today we are going to be installing carbon fiber mirror covers from Carbonaddons, as well as the satellite radio and GPS antenna cover from Carbonaddons. Something to notate is that there are different versions of these carbon fiber covers, ones with turn signals and ones that are without. So if you have the turn signals built in, you'll have to specifically order the ones that come with the cutouts to line them up. Everything you see, easy enough to install. You just need a heat gun, an alcohol prep wipe to clean the surface well, and that's it. Let's get started. Okay, just to answer any questions right off the bat. These are very thin covers, but they are pure, legit carbon fiber. It's not like a hydro dipped or like stickers. Like, this is legitimate carbon fiber. You can see in the sun how high quality this is. So something to remember is that prep work is key. I have already taken the liberty of cleaning the surfaces with alcohol, so they are nice and clean, minus the oil I just put on there by brushing it. So we've got both mirrors to do and that antenna. So key to this, like I said, is prep work. The surfaces are clean. What you need to do is heat the 3M strips that are on here. I will take the covers or the plastic sticker cover, whatever you want to call it, off of these and heat them. You don't want to get them too hot because this is thin material and it will warp, but you heat it up and it allows the actual cover to flex slightly, so that way it can properly adhere to this mirror cover. You'll have, once you've heated these, you apply them and put pressure on the actual mirror and the cover itself, and for about 2 minutes, and that should result in a good bond between them. So just a dry fit. You can see that that covers up right on there and still gives you room. And again, this is just a mock-up. It's not being put on there all the way. And again, once you've heated this up, it will give you a perfect seam all the way across. Alright, so this to show you before. We have removed the adhesive backing and we are about to heat. And hand this camera off to my camera guy real quick so that he can hold this, and I'll show you how to heat it. So there is the adhesive backing. We're going to heat this up. Now remember, you don't want to put too much heat on this because it's so thin it will actually warp the carbon fiber. But heat does activate the adhesive. So it's a balance. You've got to find the balance. And there you have it. 2 minutes has gone by, and this thing pops. You can see my reflection in the gloss. It fits perfectly, still exposes the turn signal. Again, there are proper ones for not turn signal equipped in the mirrors. I don't know what package that is, but there is an option for with or without turn signals. And this thing just looks gorgeous. And you can see that 3 times quill, trill, whatever they call it, that carbon fiber is very high quality. So yeah, there's the passenger side mirror and the driver side mirror as well. They both look awesome and really complement the car. Okay, so here is the carbon fiber roof antenna cover. Again, it's made out of the same material as the mirrors. We're just going to heat this up the exact same way we did before, and then we're actually going to open the door, reach over, and lower this down on top, hold it in the same 2 minutes of pressure, and yeah, that's it. So I'll show you the finished product as soon as it's done. All right, and there you have it. There is the carbon fiber antenna cover installed. Again, 2 minutes of pressure on this, just like the mirrors. And mirrors in that shark fin antenna complement the car. You can see that carbon fiber really shine. I'm trying to, sorry, my shadow's in the way, but yeah, it looks great. I love it. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, pay Carbonaddons a visit. I'll post my link in there, save you 5% off your next purchase. Thanks for watching.